A lot of people still don't know how to claim Nitro from Streamlabs and Discord collab, so I will show you again. I will also do Nitro giveaway in my server, so make sure you join. Before I show you, I run a server called Pixie. It has all the high-quality server decors and layouts you need. We even have different channels like banners, dividers, and so on. The server is highly advanced with all the new techniques and technologies and advanced verification system to keep our members safe. We also do Discord Nitro giveaways. My servers currently has over 12,000 members and they increase every day. If you want to join my server, go to any of my videos description, there you will find the invite link. You can join us to make friends, mental health, and for decors and layouts, or just come check us out. And oh, we also have an Instagram page called Pixie_YT, so make sure to follow it to get Nitro related updates. You can also enjoy all the artworks. Just click Streamlabs link from my video's description. Now just sign up or log in depending on whether you have Streamlabs account or not. I will click create account. Now you will see this interface. Go to your dashboard first and then click Nitro if you can't see Nitro. Now you can't claim the Nitro because you need to connect Streamlabs on a platform. It could be your Twitch account or YouTube account. So make sure you do that. It will only happen if you created a new account like I did. After connecting your account, click Dashboard. And you will find the free Nitro that you can claim. Since I don't want this Nitro, I will give it away for free as I promised at the start of my video. All you need to do is join my Discord server and go to mail channel to claim the free Nitro. Don't worry, I will post it when the video goes up, so that way you will have enough time to claim the free Nitro. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed Christmas to the fullest. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe button.